to install the EHP18. Preparing the door panel. Step 1. Make a 35mm diameter cup hole in the door panel. Position it 3mm from the edge. Ensure the depth of the cup hole does not exceed 11.5 mm. Attaching the hinge cup. Step 2. Insert the cup hole section of the hinge into the prepared hole on the door panel. Secure it using the provided SUS304 stainless steel screws. Marking the cabinet. Step 3. Measure 35mm from the inner edge of the cabinet carcass. Draw a straight vertical line from this measured point. Do this for both hinges. Placing the mounting plate. Step 4. Place the mounting plate so that the second row of screw holes matches the drawn vertical line. Securing the mounting plate. Step 5. Secure the mounting plate in place using the SUS304 stainless steel screws. Hinge adjustment, back screw. Step 6. To position the door correctly, adjust the back screw to its maximum back point. Further door alignment. The front screw can be adjusted to fix misalignment of the door panel and cabinet. Step 7. Adjust the front screw of the hinge to its maximum back point to make the alignment of the door panel and cabinet flush. Adjusting the screws as in steps 6 and 7 allows for proper movement and alignment of the door panel.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.